morning. How are you today? I hope you're all fine. We want to introduce ourselves first in this presentation. My name is Gerren Frederick, and my nickname is Gerren. We also have our guest right here.
And I'm the star of the show today, Tulus. The nickname is Tulus.
And for today's presentation, we're actually practicing on how to make a banana skewer that is coated in chocolate. Now, can you explain to us what kind of food is that?
That kind of food is a dessert. And the dessert is banana skewered and coated with molten chocolate. You know it's going to be easy and also very delicious to make.
Now, he already explained that, which we will be step by step doing it. And now, before that, all the ingredients we just need is first chocolate and then banana. Also with a skewer. Now, a plate, yes. And remember, this is just for a presentation, so enjoy this.
And I hope you have fun while looking at us eating things. Thank you. Okay guys, today we will do the first step. That is peeling the banana and cutting the banana. This out real quick. We're going to take off the bottom part. And then now we're going to cut the banana into pieces. Oh! Done.
Step 2 is to melt this chilled chocolate onto a pan of pot. Now, why did I say that? I don't know. Don't ask me. We're going to ruin all the chocolate because we did. Now, since this is taking too long for us, I'm gonna just put one chocolate inside and eat the rest of them. So we can actually going to speed this up and not going to ruin all the everything.
Now step 3, we're going to poke the banana with a mini spoon. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the banana poke. Now we're just going to need to glaze it with chocolate. Now we're going to put the banana skewer onto the chocolate. And this is our last step. And now it's done.
That's our presentation for today. I hope this presentation would
Be
be
useful,
useful
and be fun for everyone to watch.
now. Thank you for your all attention for this presentation. Thank you and
Bye bye.
bye.